Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for DYDX. Now, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here. As price comes up, hits, and reverses drastically. Now, we can also notice our monthly swing low. This is the lowest point price has reached on a candle body close before reversing. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. So, what do we see here on the weekly chart? We can notice a key level right here. As price comes down, hits, reverses, breaks through, and the key level is now acting as resistance. We can also go ahead and plot a key level right here. As we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Now, on our most recent price action, we can go ahead and plot a key level right here. As we see multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. And we can also go ahead and plot our most recent key level of resistance right here. And notice how it lines up with the start of price action over here. So, zooming out, we can notice one more key level right here where we see price come down, hit, reverse a little bit, and this area is now acting as support. And notice these long wicks here reacting to the same key level now as resistance. So here are all the key levels on the monthly and weekly chart for DYDX. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.